Hey friends, welcome back and thanks for watching. We are gonna do a Walmart unboxing today. I went on and saw, I've got my laptop here, they have a lot of really good new spring drops, and it's one of those things where, like, you know the TikTok sound, if I like it, I'll just buy it in a different color. So I bought a lot of these in multiple colors, and we're gonna see what I'm keeping and what I'm returning, quality, and of course I will try on everything for you so that you can see how it looks on as well. So we will go ahead and get started. Everything will be numbered up on screen. I do wanna go ahead actually and just share this top. This is from Walmart. Obviously, it's not a part of the unboxing. I've had this for a little over a week at this point. It is currently in stock in 3 colors. I'm really wanting the light gray heather to come back though. But they have a black, a coral silk, which is like a really pretty pink color, and then the olive green. I grabbed this in a medium, and it is just like the perfect long sleeve tee for leggings because it just is nice for layering. I've worn it today, like layered with a coat, and it's just like the perfect staple flowy tee. So under $15 at Walmart. So that's actually product number 1, but now I guess we'll get started with the unboxing. So product number 2, we have this dress. This is a super pretty dress. I've seen this on a few people though. I'm not sure if this is gonna really be my style just because of the eyelet detail on the sleeves. I love the way it looks on so many others, which is why I wanted to try it, but I don't know, something about just me and eyelet, anytime I get it, I'm like, this feels too fancy for me, but I loved the structure of the dress. I loved the tie at the waist. I did grab this in a small. This is from the free assembly line, so their stuff fits true to size. This is their sustainably sourced line. It does have the buttons down the front and then no buttons on the skirt or anything. This one's gonna need a good steam before I try it on to share it with you guys. It does look a little bit on the thinner side, but I mean, if you wear nude undergarments with it, which I usually, would anyway, then you're probably gonna be fine. But I will definitely keep you updated on this. I think it's super pretty, but I'm just interested to see kind of how the detail on the sleeves look. This one comes in 2 colors. So you've got the polished blue that I have, or a vivid white. I'm gonna be honest, that one that does look see-through. It comes in extra small through 3XL, and it is a 100% cotton material, and it's under 30. So pretty good price point, and I think the color is beautiful. Product number 3, I feel like Walmart has come out with so many versions of this dress over the last few years, and I love it every single time. Puffy sleeve, and then a little tier at the bottom. Years ago, they came out with one of these, and I so regret getting rid of it. I want it so bad. It was like a puffy sleeve with a tier dress, and I wore it with my sneakers, and it was one of my favorite outfits of all time. So I'm always trying to recreate that look, but this dress is a little bit more structured. It does have buttons down the front and then also a collar. This is a small as well in the free assembly line. This one though, I think you could definitely pull off with a pair of plain white sneakers or wedges, flats, heels. I think that this is one we really could kind of dress it up very, very easily with just a different pair of shoes. It does also have pockets on the front, and this one comes in 3 colors. So it's $32. We've got extra small through 4X, and so that is the green leaf color. There is a vivid white, and then there is also the color darkest navy. And that leads me to my next product, which is the exact same dress in the darkest navy color. So same exact situation here. We've got pockets on the front, buttons all the way down, that one beautiful tier at the bottom, and then the sleeves are just gorgeous. But I really do think a solid pair of white sneakers, don't have a logo or something on them, or even I got some sandals from Target today that have just a clear top to them and then a little gold piece over the toe. Very simple, but still a little bit dressier with some sandals. I think you would easily be able to style that. So again, 3 colors, $32, available in extra small through 4X. And then there is also a vivid white color available. The next product, I grabbed the green jacket. I actually had purchased this one previously. I believe it was in a large, and that was still too big, but I have to go up 1 size to a medium. And you've heard me say this if you've been following me for any amount of time, your girl's got very broad shoulders. So I can't usually wear my true size with jackets and coats because it feels too tight. But also if I want to layer even just a thin shirt under, I need to have that extra room. So I grabbed this in a medium, and I love the belted detail. The structure to this is absolutely incredible. It is just such a gorgeous coat, and it's a little bit of a more grayish green than I thought it was gonna gonna be. This is called Military Olive. This is $42. Currently, while filming this, it is in stock in all sizes in both colors. It comes in extra small through 4X, and it is 100% cotton. It does say that it's machine washable, and honestly, the structure is just super, super nice. So I love this, and I don't know if I have a skirt I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. I don't know if that was like meant to be a set or a pair, just simply because usually they would show that on the model and they're not shown together, but they really did kind of lean into their greens and blues this spring. Which leads me to the next product, and that is the blue jean option, or I guess the color, the official color is just medium wash, which is amazing. I have been looking for a dark wash, not cropped denim jacket, and I've found some really good options. You guys can let me know if you want me to see, like, if you want me to do a spring accessories video. I found some really, really good ones, but I thought that this was a really, really nice option as well. This one feels a little bit softer than the green, so although they both say they're 100% cotton, they definitely feel like a slightly different material, but this is still soft. Got a medium, so I went up one size for the broad shoulders. And again, we have that tie around the waist. I don't know if that's gonna be the most flattering, just because that will be kind of boxy, but we're gonna have to play around with it a little bit and see. Honestly though, I'm kind of ready for like spring drops that are like the dresses and all those things, despite the fact that it's like literally 32, 33 degrees here today. Like, it is so cold. I am so ready for bright spring weather and dresses. So this is what I'm saying. I don't know if these were meant to be a pair, but I grabbed this green skirt, I believe it was last summer or spring, lost a decent amount of weight since then. So I actually repurchased the green option in a smaller size. So I went with a 4 this time, and I got the denim. I am seeing denim skirts everywhere in all the magazines, all over Pinterest. This is gonna be something we're seeing this spring, but it's not that like cutoff style, super mini skirts that like back we used to see a lot when I was like in middle school and high school. They're a lot more structured. They have a lot of buttons on them. You are seeing like a little bit more length. So I'm excited to kind of play around with this. In my head, I think this would be so adorable with either like a pair of sandals or sneakers, white, like a fitted white tee, and either that's all I wear or I throw on that jacket over it. I think that would just be super cute. So I grabbed that in a 4, which is my true size. And then, like I said, I had gotten the green last year, so this is actually a repurchase in the size that I can wear now. Again, the material feels a little bit different. They both say they're 100% cotton, but this just feels different. It doesn't feel as, like, it feels a little more stiff than the denim skirt, but still buttons down the front. These buttons are black, and then it does have the pockets in the front and then nothing on the back, but we do have those belt loops. So this is $22. The length looks really, really great. The model actually is 5'9.5", so she's half an inch taller than me, and I felt like the length was still pretty decent. So $22, and it comes in sizes 0 through 18. This is meant to be high-waisted though, so just something to keep in mind when you are purchasing this, because sometimes I'll wear like even up super, super high, depending on where it's supposed to hit. I'll wear like a 2 or a 4, and then at the waist I'll wear, most of the time it's just a 4, but we're gonna go with a 4 today. So I really, really love the colors of that one. I do wish it also came in like a khaki color, but really, really cute from Walmart. And then this one comes in 7 colors. It's available in sizes extra small through 2XL, and I grabbed the color Plum Magic. Y'all know I have been all about the button-up cardigans lately. I'm seeing everyone like wear these with like white shirt to like you can see the white shirt underneath it. Just looks very like chic and trendy, but I thought this color was gorgeous. So Plum Magic is this one with the gold buttons, but they do also have like a really light pink. They have a green, black, it says it's brown sesame. That looks like a very, very light cognac orange. We have egret, which is white, and then even a navy color too. Now, they do have a matching tank top that comes with this, but it looks like it has a slight scalloped detail up around the neck, and then it also is ribbed. So I did not grab that. I will link it below for y'all, but they did make one that matches every single color that is available in the cardigan. So just, you know, something to think about. But overall, I felt like this is such a gorgeous color. And again, like 20 bucks. So that was a very quick haul. Let me know what you think of some of these pieces. I cannot wait to style them for spring, but I'm gonna need the weather to get it together. I know it's only February, but we do this in the South where like February is warm and then March gets cold, and then April it's like every other day it just changes. So I'm ready for spring weather. Thank y'all so much for watching. Click the subscribe button if you're new here and love Walmart videos, and I will see you guys in my next video.